I am holding the timer module. I want to select program P10P and a timing duration of 00.03 seconds or 30 milliseconds. Let's do it. I'm going to hold down this button until I get the bottom flashing. Okay, and I'm going to go over here up to P1 and freeze it. And I'm going to hit this again. Hit it again. There's the top. And then we're going to go like 3 milliseconds, and that's where we're going to be. Now it's in the machine, and I can use that as much as I want, and that's what I like with 0.01 millimeter nickel strips. Now let's say I go to a heavier or lighter strip. Let's go a little heavier. So we'll push this in, get something flashing, hit it again, get the top flashing. Now we can go to 0.04 or 05. And I hold it in again, and it's programmed for a longer duration. That's it, folks. That's all it is. It's that easy. You can do it on the fly. I'm going to attempt some close-up welds. 1, 2, 3, and they are beautiful. Let's try some more. And here is 1 and 2. I don't think there's any kind of welds I've ever seen any better than that. Now I'm going to attempt to pull some of these welds apart. Oh boy, these guys are on there. Let's do another one. I'm looking through a viewfinder, so it's a little rough. Okay. Oh. They really welds. And let's see if I can get one more. And here we go. That's it.